What's up, you guys? Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get back into your MetaMask wallet. So if you come up, click on Chrome extensions in Google Chrome, and for some reason you are logged out of your MetaMask wallet, you're going to want to click this Get Started button, and you're going to want to import your wallet. So if you go ahead and click on Import Wallet, you can click I agree. And you're going to want to find your 12-word secret recovery phrase and insert that here. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and set a new password for yourself. It's a minimum of 8 characters. Click I have read and agree and import your wallet. Let me know if this helps you guys out. It's a quick process. You're just going to need that recovery phrase to get back into your MetaMask wallet. From there, you can sync it up to all the platforms. And hopefully this helped you out. Drop a comment below on what you need help with.